In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your region here in Call of Duty Mobile. Before we do dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to change your region here in Call of Duty Mobile, this guide's for you. Let's get right into it. First things first, what you're going to want to do is select your settings up in the top right corner, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. If you navigate through every single one of these settings, and there is a lot of them, you're going to notice that there's actually no setting to switch regions. Unfortunately, Call of Duty Mobile is able to pick up the current region you're in based on your device's settings. So if you're trying to switch regions directly through this app, it's not going to work. However, if you actually exit out of Call of Duty Mobile and open up the App Store on your device, you'll be able to search up something like a VPN. And if you get a free VPN, something like Proton VPN, for example, you'll be able to go ahead and change your region to a different one. I will say a lot of these free VPNs don't allow you to choose a specific region. If you do want to do something like that, you would have to pay for one. But Proton VPN is a pretty solid one overall that I actually personally use on my PC if you want to get something. Yeah, that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for this video. If it did help you out, or at least clear things up, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.